You drop your phone here, you say bye bye.
We are gonna try the original miso food. 这个是啊，我在找这个地方。Ginger candy. We get some ice cream here at another viewing platform.
Today is really sunny, weather looking good today. Now it's about 1 p.m. We will head out to have lunch and also have another look at Furong town. Not sure if we might have gotten ill because the past few days were just rainy, cloudy. Maybe we just lack of exercise. So we don't usually exercise that much and then having to climb so many mountains.
I think it's because of the weather. It's been hot, cold, hot, cold.
Our initial plan was to go towards Yongshun County to experience the outdoor hot spring. But thank God we changed this as a rest day. Well, hope you'll get better and be able to enjoy the rest of the trip.
Yeah, we are only less than halfway there, so we thought it's good to take a day off. It's so much more quieter today somehow. We don't see any tour groups around so far. We're going to the more bustling area in this scenic town, hoping to find some food. We haven't even had brunch. We are gonna try the original miso food store. Other than miso food, they also sell the green mugwort kueh we saw yesterday. They have salty and sweet options. We are gonna try both. Hopefully it's okay. 这个有一个咸的米豆腐，还有这个是这两个，还是没有吧？
对对。
This is 咸米豆腐 and we got two of these. It's called 高炒吧. One of them is salty and sweet. I don't know which one. It's warm, fresh out of the steamer. There's peanut inside. The skin is really thick, but the skin is not those like smooth and chewy kind. It's a bit textured and chewy. Yeah, I'll consider it pleasant. It's okay.
This is the sweet one.
This is the sweet one. Okay, now for the salty version. Seems to be like, oh, it's spicy. Seems to be assorted vegetable with peppercorn.
No wonder you're spicy.
Yeah, it's like in your face kind. Let me take a bigger bite. There's also meat inside. A bit like a bao feeling. It's good. Okay, time for the salty mee tofu. Salty rice tofu. The flavor is very light. The taste of the mee tofu is less strong than the other one we tried yesterday. It's in a different shape. This is like something like a fat chendol shape. Not so salty. Generally, it's just very light on the palate. I think you can eat.
Do you prefer the salty or the sweet?
Yeah, I like this soup better. So I guess I like the salty one.
The texture is so different. This one is like softer. It's not as dense. The taste generally is lighter. Now just strolling the streets and taking in the day view. It's really nice without the rain.
Yes. A little bit like Rome. You know, the stone streets. After all, they are both ancient cities.
This is the top of the waterfall and there's a path to cross to the other side. You drop your phone here, you say bye bye.
Bye bye. 我在找这个地方是哦，这个地方瀑布旁边的哦，不是。OK， 好的，谢谢。We are going down here to go to the observatory platform. 欢迎
网红打卡地、瀑布观景台、喝茶、看瀑布、拍照。
We are in one of the inns that is on the way down to the waterfall. You can come here and drink tea for 10 yuan per pax and have a good view of the waterfall right there.
Worth it?
So actually consider this place to stay. We can stay right on top of this level, but it will be too noisy to do anything here.
24/7 noise.
Yeah, 24/7 noise. When you sleep, it's also noise.
Other than the waterfall, which Furong is known for, this town is actually an ancient town that dates back to 3,000 years ago. Can you imagine that? That's older than Rome.
We took a short rest back in the inn. Yeah, we're dying, man. Now we are out to catch a show in the town square at 7:30.
The show is included in our scenic pass ticket. It's across the bridge.
Blocking the way.
这里嘛那个人家查一下，他有这个纸了，挤不进啊？不要挤，不要挤。
Oh my gosh, what is this? So beautiful! We escaped the crowd. We are here at another viewing platform at night. The best view of the waterfall with the buildings perched on top. We got some ice cream. Hokkaido milk ice cream. Hopefully it will come out through down.
They even have a tray in case you drop.
How do I take it out? It's very sticky.
Nice.
A little bit like Baitu Tang, but not so sweet. We're getting across to the other side. This is the shortcut.
这是什么？姜糖。姜糖。养生的。
Ginger candy.
Ginger candy。我吃一个美女。
不行，
来吧来吧。
Try 啊。
不气啦，等会。
哦。
不行，不行啊！
红糖，红糖，这里面有好处的。
嗯。
super 热气。
快点。This ginger candy is also famous in Furong.
It's quite nice, but not in our current condition. Ginger is very heaty. Okay, we researched on Dianping that this place is good. We're gonna check out the place first. If it's nice, we will have dinner here. So they always let you check out the place first before you decide to whether to actually dine here. Let's try sad. Okay, after a few hours of beer and chill, we are finally heading back to our accommodation. It's 11 p.m. now. A lot of shops are closed, which gives a more ancient vibe to the whole place. We are using our last chance to take in all these because I don't think that we will ever visit an ancient town in the next 5 years. This marks the end of our time in Furong. Tomorrow morning we will be heading to the next city, Guilin, via train. So we'll see you in Guilin.
There's still so much more to show you, but that's all the time we have in this video. Stay tuned next week.
Somehow we ended up on different seats.
这是什么？
We are finally here at the highlight of our trip, from a private inn to the 5-star hotel. Oh my god, they prepared this for us!
Higher tide now, sia.
It's almost at the level. Wow!
Slow motion.